Do your knees ache the most at night, just when you're ready to sleep? You toss, you turn, and the pain keeps you awake. The truth is, knee pain at night is not random. It has real causes. And the good news, with the right routine, you can ease the pain in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how. The problem: why knees hurt more at night. Knee pain often feels worse at night because inflammation builds up after a day of movement. Joints stiffen when you're less active. Poor sleeping posture puts pressure on the knees. Weak muscles fail to support the joint. Underlying conditions like arthritis, gout, or injuries flare up. The result: disturbed sleep, poor recovery, and even worse pain the next morning. But here's the truth: you don't have to suffer through it. Mistakes that make nighttime knee pain worse. Many people make simple mistakes that increase pain instead of reducing it. Sleeping in awkward positions without proper support. Using soft, saggy mattresses that stress the joints. Skipping stretching or movement before bed. Eating inflammatory foods like fried or sugary snacks at night. Ignoring the importance of hydration and circulation. Golden tip: small habits before bedtime can make the biggest difference for your knees. The solution: fix knee pain in 5 minutes. The key to relieving nighttime knee pain is a 5-minute evening routine. Here's exactly what you should do before bed. 5-minute night routine for knee pain relief. 1. Warm oil massage 2 minutes. Use olive oil, mustard oil, or coconut oil. Warm slightly and massage in circular motions. Increases blood flow, reduces stiffness, and calms inflammation. 2. Gentle knee stretch 1 minute. Sit on your bed or chair. Straighten one leg, hold for 10 seconds, then switch. Prevents stiffness and relaxes the muscles. 3. Pillow support 30 seconds. Place a pillow under or between your knees while lying down. Reduces joint pressure and aligns posture. 4. Heat or cold therapy 1 minute. Apply a warm compress for stiffness. Use an ice pack if swelling is present. Choose based on your body's response. 5. Deep breathing and relaxation 30 seconds. Stress worsens inflammation. Practice deep breathing to relax muscles and calm pain signals. Golden tip: this 5-minute habit before bed can reduce nighttime pain and improve sleep quality dramatically. Foods that prevent nighttime knee pain. What you eat affects how your knees feel at night. Avoid late-night junk food and focus on anti-inflammatory foods. Turmeric, milk, ginger tea, green leafy vegetables, protein, eggs, fish, lentils for muscle repair, omega-3 South walnuts, chia seeds, salmon for joint health. Hydration: drink water throughout the day. Dehydration stiffens joints. Golden tip: a warm cup of turmeric milk before bed is a natural anti-pain drink for knees. Gentle bedtime exercises for knee relief, in addition to massage and stretching. Try these light moves before lying down. Ankle pumps improve circulation. Quad tightening: squeeze thigh muscles for 5 seconds. Release. Hamstring stretch: sit on the bed, extend leg, and lean slightly forward. Just 2 to 3 minutes of these movements prepare your knees for a pain-free sleep. Lifestyle habits for nighttime comfort to keep pain away long-term. Follow these daily habits. Walk 15 to 20 minutes a day to keep joints active. Avoid sitting for hours without moving. Keep your weight in check. Extra pounds stress the knees. Use proper footwear with cushioning. Get enough vitamin D and calcium for bone health. Maintain a consistent sleep routine for better recovery. Golden tip: movement during the day leads to better rest at night. Outro: final motivation. Nighttime knee pain may feel frustrating, but it doesn't have to steal your sleep. With just 5 minutes of care before bed, oil massage, gentle stretches, pillow support, and mindful relaxation, you can ease pain and wake up refreshed. Golden tip: strong knees don't come from luck, they come from daily care. So tonight, try this 5-minute knee relief routine and feel the difference by morning. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more golden health tips. Stay strong, stay active, and sleep peacefully without knee pain holding you back.